Hello, fellow journal crafters. Have you seen those vintage style stickers that would be so nice to use in your journal? Well, let's make them in this video. A few easy steps and you have a lovely set of handmade stickers for your journal. First step is to choose your stickers that you want to work with. You can get different shape stickers from the store, or you can cut them from A4 size sticker. And you can do this either by hand or a cutting machine. These stickers are made with the Cricut machine and the size is A5. But now to the coloring part. Here I use ink pads with a stamper. The stamper is round, so it's much more easier to work with. I am adding some color to the first layer quite gently, and then I start to add more color by pressing harder. I am keeping the stamper a bit tilted when I want to add color to the edges. That way the sticker gets a nice edge, and that makes the vintage vibe. Okay, this is how I color the stickers, and here is some fast clips of this process, and then let's move on to the decorating part. And now it's time to choose your favorite stamps. And I have to say that this part was very intimidating, because you have basically a blank slate ahead of you and you have to start putting something somewhere without any planning. So don't stress about it, just start to add some stamping. Well, after the first stamping, you might feel like, no, this looks just horrible, but in the end it will look nice, even though at this stage it doesn't. Just keep adding layers and layers and it will be just fine. And this is how I do the decorating part. Let's see some fast clips again about the process. And here are the ready stickers and a smudgy table. Yes. This was great fun, and now the stickers are ready to be slapped on the journal page. But now, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a lovely week, lovelies. Bye!